Braille 1 course, UMass Boston. Braille and Computer Technology. Most Braille today is produced by computers. Now that you have learned the literary code, you need to know how this is done. For computerized Braille production, you will need three things: a word processor, a Braille translator, and a Braille embosser. The Braille translator used by most teachers is the Duxbury Braille translator available from Duxbury Systems. The Duxbury is available for computers with the Windows operating system as well as for the Macintosh computer. The Duxbury is also available in many different languages. There is a wide variety of Braille embossers available today. There are three features that you need to know about. The first is the size of the paper that can be used. Some embossers will only use 8.5 by 11, while others will have the capability to use both 8.5 by 11 as well as 11.5 by 11 size paper. The second feature to be considered is whether or not interpoint is needed. Interpoint Braille is Braille printed on both sides of the page. This feature is important if large amounts of Braille will be produced, such as books downloaded from the Internet. The last feature to be considered is cost. Braille printers range from approximately $1,800 on up. There are some features in Braille production that are controlled by the Duxbury translator. When text is translated into Braille, extra lines and spaces are automatically removed. 2 spaces are kept for every tab key in the text. There are also features that are controlled by the Braille embosser. The settings of the translator usually override the settings of the embosser. However, sometimes there are conflicts between the two settings that will need to be resolved. The Braille technology now available is amazing. It is easy to be dazzled by the different models and features available. This makes it rather difficult to determine which is the best equipment for your student. When evaluating a piece of equipment, it helps to make a list of all the positive and negative features to compare with the needs of your students. Be careful not to buy on impulse based on only one presentation. Braille note-takers are now used by many students in academic classes. These small portable computers are available with Braille keyboards as well as with standard QWERTY keyboards. They all have word processors with spell checking and editing features. There's also a scientific calculator. One-handed mode can be turned on for individuals who need it. The more expensive models have a Braille display built into them. The Braille code is used to command the Braille note-takers, although literary Braille is used to write on the word processor. There is a reverse translator that translates the files written in contracted Braille into regular print. This option allows the student to print their file out in Braille on an embosser or in text on an ink printer. Braille has kept pace with the technologies of today. Computers have enhanced the use of Braille and opened more opportunities for learning than ever before. Braille and Computer Technology, narrated and produced by Sandy Smith, UMass Boston.